Hi everyone, I'm Lisa and welcome to Lisa's Stamp Studio. Today's quick tip is about the Stamparatus. Not necessarily how to use that because I've already done a video on that. If you're here from YouTube or my blog and you've missed that before, I'm going to put the link over on my blog post. You'll find the link to that right in the description bar below, making it easy for you to navigate over to my blog to see that other video. It's about the magnets. Now I know we've talked about this in the first video. They're extremely strong and they're made of a natural component. So they need to be stored very far apart from one another. I put washi tape on my original one. You can see how hard it is to get them off of here, to help break down the contact in case they became too close to one another to avoid breakage or pinching my fingers. But I just recently found out from a friend that there is even a better way to put that washi tape on, and I want to talk to you about that today. I've got my magnet here and I've taken off the washi tape that I already had on there. I've got my washi tape once again, and this time I'm going to pull off a longer piece. Now I'm going to actually lay that in the center of my magnet, and I'm going to wrap it around very much like I did before. But this time I'm actually going to bring the two ends together and then pinch. And then I'm going to fold this part over and down. This now has left me a tail, and let me tell you how much better this is I actually have something to grab to pull it off versus what I was trying to do before by pulling it here and having to grab it. And I will tell you, there's very little room here to get them off. In addition to that, I find that when I'm using it here, it's easier to grab it from the tab to lift it versus before when it wasn't there. So I'm really hoping that today's tip about the washi tape and your Stamparatus magnets will help you as well. Thanks for joining me for this week's quick tip. I look forward to seeing you next time. Have a great day.